In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to schedule out of office in Outlook calendar. So first of all, we need to go to the upper left corner, and from this menu, we need to select the calendar option. Then click on new event, and once you tap on it, then it will open this new window. Now choose the date when you will be unavailable. If you are away for just a few hours, adjust the start and end times. If you will be gone for the whole day, simply turn on the all day option. For multiple days, use the date range selector to set your start and end dates. If it is longer than 5 days, select custom and define your own date range. Next, go to the top of the event window where it says free. Open the drop down menu and select out of office. Give your event a title such as out of office, and if needed, add extra details in the description box. When you are finished, click save. Your calendar will now display your out of office status, letting co-workers know you are unavailable and preventing them from booking meetings during that time. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.